When my niece comes over, she loves watering my garden and she loves to be able to help me in my garden. So I picked this up for her. It is a watering can, and it will go ahead and come like this with this little piece of cardboard that kind of holds it all together. But as you can see, it is made of extremely durable plastic. I mean, the handle is very, very durable. It's kind of wide. And then, of course, it has the little watering can that has the holes here, and then it comes with two little instruments, a little rake and then also a little shovel. And then the carrying handle is just made of really thick rope. So really looking forward to her using this. This is made from 100% recycled materials, and so I'm looking forward to her actually using this when she comes over and helps me to water. So I'm very happy that these utensils actually, the shovel and the rake are very, very thick as well. And so, yeah, super excited about this. You guys have a great day.